The AITAR Case Documentation System, the ACDS, is your primary interface with the program. It is where the module content is hosted, where you submit assessments, and where you receive feedback on your work. It's also where moot sessions are scheduled, your CPD record is maintained, and where you access the digital gazette. Your ACDS dashboard shows everything you need, from submission history to feedback. Keep it open when you are studying. The modules are sequentially unlocked. Module 1 is available immediately. Module 2 unlocks once you complete the first assessment. Tier 2 unlocks on completion of Tier 1 and the Oath of Integrity. Tier 3 follows once Tier 2 is mastered. There is no way to skip ahead. The sequence is enforced because the modules genuinely build on each other. This structure ensures you develop the necessary constitutional reasoning at every step. Each module has a workbook, a complete self-contained text covering the module's blocks, work scenarios, and assessment briefing. Read the workbook with the governing instruments open beside you. Do not read it as a summary of the rules. Read it as a constitutional analysis of why the rules are what they are. If you cannot explain the basis for a rule, go back. The video segments cover the same content in a different register. The workbook is dense, the video is explanatory and conversational. Some find the video a helpful intro, others read first then watch. Both approaches are valid. What is not valid is watching the video without reading the workbook. The written assessment tests the depth the workbook builds. Reflection questions are there to force active engagement. Write notes. They are the territory the assessment will test. Master the workbook to master the Constitution. Each module ends with an assessment. Tier 1 assessments pass at 65%. Tier 3 assessments pass at 70%. You submit through the ACDS and receive feedback within 14 days. You have one free retake. A second failure requires full module re-enrollment. This ensures mastery before moving forward. Read the feedback on each assessment carefully, every word of it. The feedback is specific and passage by passage. It is telling you exactly where your constitutional reasoning is sound and where it is not yet constitutional mastery. The trajectory from Module 1 to Module 15 is the trajectory from reading the rules to reasoning from the Constitution. The feedback tracks that trajectory for you, ensuring your practice is constitutionally grounded. Reason from the Constitution at every step. On admission to the roster at Tier A, after the oath, your first 3 live assignments will be supervised by a Tier B mentor. Your mentor reviews your determinations against constitutional quality criteria and returns Form A-M1 feedback within the prescribed period. The mentoring relationship is the most important formative relationship in the early practice period. It builds your foundation. The first discipline is specific feedback, targeting exact paragraph corrections rather than generic praise or criticism. The mentor guides your decision-making process, ensuring it is constitutionally sound without rewriting your substantive findings. Your substantive findings are yours, made under your constitutional authority. The mentor ensures the process was sound. This process ensures every determination meets the standards of registry readiness and constitutional integrity. Professional mastery through constitutional guidance. After this segment, your next step is to open Module 1 workbook and read the introductory module in full. It covers what you are entering, the program structure, the governing instruments, the 2 highways, and a module-by-module preview. It takes approximately 90 minutes. It is not optional background reading. It is part 0 of the program. Module 1 assumes you have read it, then Module 1, then the oath, then live practice, then the rest of this career. Welcome to the AITAR Tribunal Training Programme. The people of Kenya are waiting.